a unique and interactive college experience. Full Sail University's educational truck pulled into Whale Branch Early College High School, giving students a behind-the-scenes look at the college. Inside the mobile unit, students had the opportunity to explore several programs the university offers by having students take part in hands-on activities like esports, video editing, sound engineering, and more.
I was at the beat station pretty much the whole time. That was a really good experience because I've always had it in my head that I want to do something like that. But for me to actually experience it before I get to actually make my decision really did something. For me to hear the bass and like be able to make my own little beat to make it like sound good together, it was nice.
I was playing the Super Mario game in the virtual reality. I feel like that can open like a lot of experience. I've never seen nothing like that before. Like I'm playing a game in my head, like literally. It's like everything controls with my eyes. That was a fun experience.
The students really enjoyed being in the truck and learning about the university.
It was actually pretty fun. I've never done anything like that before, so it was a good experience, yeah. It shows you a couple of different things that you could do and like paths that you can go on before you get to actually make your decision. So I think that that's a good little way for you to like see it in real life. So you can actually feel like so you can actually get the experience and see if you like it or not.
So we could see more advanced things and like futuristic stuff so we could be prepared for the future and just like experience new things and do like fun activities.
Overall, the Full Sail University Real-World Education Experience truck offers students 5 interactive stations at Whale Branch Early College High School, Round Oaks, Beaufort County School District.